And welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software like Tabulaz or like that things from your INFINIX Hot 30. So at the start, if you see something like that in your notification bar, or you have a spammy pop-ups and you're trying to get inside, that means you have a notification software, and you can try to remove it by two ways: System Settings and Antivirus app. Now I'm gonna show you the first method. Open the settings, choose App Management, and tap on the app list. Now check the list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize the name of it, click on install and tap on OK. Then go back to the app list and look for your web browser. Now choose the storage and cache, tap on the clear storage and choose clear all data, tap on the OK, and after that your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm always using Avast, so you can launch it now. In this application, tap on the continuous free, close the ad, and choose the green circle. Allow a permission, so click the switcher next to it, activate it, and go back to the app. Always use the deep scan, and after the scanning process, all of the unwanted softwares should be removed from your phone. And this is how it works. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.